Hi, this is Russell Stannard from teachertrainingvideos.com. Many people ask me, what is the quickest way to create a website? So if you wanted to create a website for your school, for yourself, for your profile, if you wanted your students to create websites, what is the quickest and easiest way? Well, this video is going to quickly give you the answer. The best site I've come across in terms of speed would be Google Sites, and I'm going to show you in just 5 minutes how you could get up and running with this technology immediately and create your first website. Let's get going. Okay, so you do need a Google account to work with Google Sites. I'm going to click here on my apps. I'm coming down to my Drive and I need to click on the new button, and then from the new button I need to choose more, and then we come to Google Sites. Click on that button there and it will open up a screen and you're ready to add your title and to begin to add your content. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to give your document a title so you can easily find it. I'm going to call this Russell Stannard Profile 2 because I've already done one when I was testing it, and I'm going to give it the same title here as well. I'm just going to call it Russell, and this is obviously just the content on the screen. So this is called Russell Stannard Profile. So this is the literally like the opening page of the website, and that's the title of the document itself. Now I can add some text underneath, so I'm going to click here on text box and I'm going to copy and paste some text from my website, just make life easy for myself in terms of speed. So I'm just going to grab this here and just copy that text. That will do. Copy, come back to the website and just paste that text in, so you can see how easy it is for me to add text. And I've literally now done my first page. I've got a nice title at the top of the screen and I've got some text underneath. Now what about if I want to add a new page to my website? Well, I click on pages and I'm going to click here and I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to give the page a title and I'll call it page 2, make it life very simple for myself. Click on done. If you want to change the names of your pages, it's very easy. Just click here and you can rename the page. Okay, so we've now got a page 2 and we can click on page 2. We're going to come back to insert, and this time what we're going to do is insert an image. Now there's a couple of ways of working here. If you want to grab anything from your own computer, well, you click on upload and then that will access your computer. But if you want to grab, if you click on images, it gives you the option of more or less grabbing something that is in your Google Drive. So if you've got any images that you've saved into your Google Drive, you can add them from here. Click back here. If you want to use a URL, if you have the actual address, the web address of a particular image, you can just paste that in, and of course that will then access that image. You can search, or you've got album here. This basically is a collection of all the pictures that you've uploaded into your Blogger, or if you've used things like Google Forms or Google Docs or Google Slides. So for this first one, I'm just going to grab a picture from my album and I'm going to click on the image and then select and insert that image. I can move it so I can bring it into the middle, and I can make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to call this second page images. Alright, obviously I'm doing this really quickly just to show you the basics. Click away so that you finish that part. Now I'm going to add some text underneath. So again, I'm going to just, to make life easy, just copy a bit of text from my profile on the internet. So I'm just going to copy that, and then I can come back and again just paste that in to the screen, and we've now got 2 pages on our website. Notice that when you create a new page, automatically it updates on the menu here at the top. So if I clicked on the home page, it will bring me to the home page, and if I click on this page, it will bring me to page 2. You can see how simple it is to add new content. Now let's just add a video. So let's go to pages again and let's add a new page. We'll call this page 3, and immediately that will update on the menu. We'll now have 3 items in our website. We're going to call this video, so I'm going to give it a title. Again, I'm really going quickly, but just to show you how simple it is. Again, clicking out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually just click back on insert, and this time I'm going to click on down here YouTube, and I'm just going to quickly search for a video. I've got a couple I know that So you can search on YouTube. I'm going to grab that one there and then click on select, and that video has now been added into the screen. Going to move that into the middle a bit, make it a little bit, maybe make it slightly bigger, so you can see how easy I can sort of build a website. I'm going to click down here now and click on add text, and I'm just going to quickly write Russell presenting, and if I remember right, this was in India, and I can add that onto the screen, and then I've now got 3 pages. As I said, we can add content from our computer as well, and obviously I can carry on building up content and adding pictures and writing. I'm not just limited to this part here. If I wanted to carry on, I'm going to click upload and grab something from my own computer, so I'm going to click on that image there and then upload that image into the screen. And you'll see that it comes underneath. And of course I could click here and add some text underneath that, and you can build your web page up and move your images around, etc. I'm just going to grab a little bit more text from my website just to make life easy. I'm just doing this for speed purposes. Alright, copy, just to show you how simple it is to make a website. What I really like is the way that the pages work. So if we now look at our website, okay, we've now got 3 pages on our website, and if I click on them, we've got home, and we've got page 2, and of course I could give them different names, and we've got page 3, and we've got video and pictures, etc. Now to publish, in other words, once we're ready, all we need to do is click here, click on publish, and give it a name. So I'm going to call this Russell Stannard Profile 2. As I said, I've already done one, so it's got to, it says that name's okay. If I don't want people to be able to find my website on search engines, and I can click here, and then it says that profile name has already been taken. So maybe so I'm going to have to change that. I'll change that to 3. Maybe I've already right, good. So yes, okay, so it will tell you when you can publish. So this will be the actual web address now. HTTPS sites google.com view Russell Stannard. You could share that link with anyone and they can access your actual website. So you've even now got your own website address. That is how easy it is to work with Google Forms. Sorry, to work with Google, not Google Forms, Google Sites, sorry. Hi, this is Russell Stannard from teachertrainingvideos.com. Really hope you liked those videos on working with Google Sites. Really quick introduction into Google Sites. Please come to teachertrainingvideos.com. Lots more free videos on the site. There's a newsletter that you can sign up to, that is free also, and it updates you on all the new videos that I've added onto the site and any courses and special offers. If you don't want to sign up to the newsletter, then you can just click here and come into the content. Lots of sections that you might find useful. Just want to highlight a few interesting ones to you. If you're thinking of running your own online business, then that's a really useful section of videos. If you are thinking of working in learning about new technologies and just want to quickly review, then this is a really nice one, because Russell's 5-minute blog just has very short videos that show you different technologies that you might find useful in your teaching and learning. And another very popular section is the top 12 videos, and if you click on those and you see of course a list of the top 12 most popular videos at the moment, then simply click on anything that you want to look at and it will open up onto the screen, and obviously the video will be underneath. But one little tip is make sure that you click to watch the videos full screen. It's a much better experience if you watch the videos in full screen rather than watching them. So make sure you click on there. And just one final thing, if you really want to keep up to date with all of the content, then please follow me on my YouTube channel, because I add lots more videos on there, some that you won't find on the website.